I made a huge batch of hummus for just a few dollars. Best of all, it's just as delicious as the hummus we had in Mallorca, Spain. Growing up a Navy kid, I've always had a love of travel. That love has certainly extended into my adulthood. My husband and I travel as often as we can, taking in the sights, the sounds, the culture, and of course, the local food. I hope to share my love of travel and food with you through this show. I'm also going to recreate some of the dishes we had on our journeys and do my best to capture their unique flavors with ingredients you can find at your local grocer. We recently took a cruise in Spain. We flew into Barcelona, but we only had a handful of hours to tour the city. Still, we managed to see the breathtaking church La Sagrada Familia. We strolled down Las Ramblas, probably the most famous street in the city. We even had time to visit a food market. Before we knew it, it was time to board the cruise ship, and this one did not disappoint. Our first stop on the journey was Mallorca. It's one of the largest islands in the Mediterranean and a very popular vacation destination. Its capital city is Palma, and we met our tour guide outside the Royal Palace. The Royal Palace is the official residence for the Spanish royal family when they visit the island. The current structure was built in the 14th century. From there, we took a short walk to the Cathedral of Santa Maria of Palma. Built in the Catalan Gothic style, construction began in 1229 but wasn't completed until 1601. The interior of the cathedral is breathtaking and well worth the visit. If you arrive in the morning, you'll see the colors of light dancing on the walls. After our visit to the cathedral, we strolled through nearby courtyards, stopping to admire some beautiful fruit trees. The city is filled with fun, narrow streets, all offering interesting architecture. Many roads lead to a beautiful plaza, including the one overlooking Palma's town hall. Since exploring local cuisine is always a priority, I made it a point to visit a food market. I hated to leave the island, but there were other adventures to be had. As we walked back to the cruise ship, we stopped for lunch at a local restaurant and had some amazing hummus. We decided to make it at home. It's super easy and just a fraction of the price of your local grocer. Hummus is just a handful of ingredients, including 2 cans of chickpeas, 2 lemons, olive oil, cumin, tahini, and salt and pepper. So the first thing you do is add the chickpeas to the processor. Don't forget to keep a little of the juice from the chickpea cans because you may use it later in the recipe. Then you cut the 2 lemons and squeeze the juice into the food processor. If the lemons are hard, you can roll them a few times against the cutting board or microwave them for about 10 seconds to yield more juice. Get some cardio. Add that to your container. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin and 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, which I've already mixed together. And so now we're going to add 1/2 cup of tahini. So, you need to shake it up a little bit because it's quite thick. And we'll put that right in here. It's going to give a nice peanutty taste to the hummus. And then you blend. If you want it to be smoother, you can add the liquid from the chickpea cans. See, that's lovely. That's just what you want. I've added the hummus to a bowl. Now I'm going to top it off with 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a sprinkle of parsley. This is what I call classic hummus. You can eat the hummus with pita chips or the vegetable of your choice. If you prefer garlic-flavored hummus like my husband does, you can add about 1 tablespoon of fresh garlic to the food processor, or you can use minced garlic from a jar if it's easier. Ever since we visited Budapest, I fell in love with paprika. You can add about 3/4 of a tablespoon to give your hummus a smoky flavor. Add some red pepper if you prefer that flavor of hummus. You can either grill it yourself before adding it to the food processor, or you can buy the red pepper in a jar. Food is such a great way to feel connected to different places and cultures. Making the hummus today certainly brought back fond memories of our time in beautiful Mallorca.